Welcome back to the Nerd Bench. We're going to take a quick look at how to do the firmware update and the database update on the multi-function LCD Program Box Pro, or what we call the LCD Program Box G3. First and foremost, you got to have the LCD Program Box powered. I just have a speed control plugged into the auxiliary port there, and you have to have the HW-Link V2 app installed on your phone or your favorite smart device. Don't forget, you also have to have the operating system on the phone or the device updated as well. If those aren't updated, that's not going to do you any favors. And you can check your app for an update through these settings. If you go into settings and then you go to about, you can see your app version here. You can tap that. It'll check for the latest version, and you can tap the database version and it'll check for the latest version as well. That is when your device is connected to the internet, of course. So, with the LCD box program powered on, we tap the link icon here. Mine is called CS LCD Pro. I tap on that. My password was already in there. If it's not, it's going to be all 8s. And then you're going to go to settings, not firmware. You would think you would go to firmware, but we're going to go to settings. Then we go to settings of the Bluetooth module. And here you see you can change the name, you can change the password, the firmware update, and the database update. So firmware update, you tap on that guy. It'll tell you what the device is, the hardware version that it's on, as well as the firmware version that it's currently on, and what is available. If there is a higher number available, that means there's an update, and you can just tap firmware update to make that happen. Database update works very much the same way. You go to database update, it'll tell you the version that it has on it, and if there are any available versions that are a higher number, that'll list that there. And if they are, this says firmware update, even though it should say database update. You'll tap that and that'll run the update as well. Just to give you an idea, we're going to do a dry run on that, let it update itself. You get the tips here. Do you want to update your program card? You know, lock the screen or switch the applications? That means your phone can't go to lock. You can't get a call. You can't do anything like that, because if you get an interruption during the update, you can brick your device. You tap confirm, and then the magic starts to happen. We'll play this in fast forward, but it does happen pretty quick. Once that's completed, it says the firmware update was successful. Even though we know it's a database, we can back out of here. And what that's done is updated the internal database of the LCD Program Box Pro, so that as a standalone unit, it gets all the latest bleeps and bloops that it needs for speed control. So there will be occasional database updates for the actual LCD program box itself, so that it gets current with the speed controls that get released, you know, since it's been out, so to speak. So just to clarify, there is a firmware update and a database update that both happen to the device itself. The firmware update is for the Bluetooth module, and the database update is for the actual database that's inside of the box, so that it works as a standalone unit. If you didn't know, the LCD Program Box Pro can be used as a standalone speed control tuner, or it has built-in Bluetooth so that you can use it in conjunction with the app as well. In addition to that, it also has a battery checker. So if you need to check balance and voltage on your battery packs, there's actually a battery checker built into it as well. So lots of cool stuff. As always, folks, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, feel free to shoot us an email, northamerica@hobbywing.com. You like podcasts? We do a podcast. We give away free Hobbywing electronics each and every episode. All you have to do to find out how to enter to win is listen to an episode. Just look up RC Stuff, powered by Hobbywing, on your favorite podcast service. And as always, folks, thanks for watching. New every Tuesday right here on the Hobbywing official YouTube channel. It's The Charlie Show. We will see you all next time.